Aujourd'hui, on ne rigole plus, chers amis. C'est fini, ok? We have to work, we have to study English, ok? Bon, évidemment, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is Adrian, I speak spoken.com. Welcome back. Thank you very much, Nicole. Ok, je vais poser la règle puisqu'elle ne sert absolument à rien. Today, we are going to improve your English, hopefully. Hopefully, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Okay, c'est une diphtongue. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I don't even know how to translate that into French, so maybe espérons qu'on va améliorer votre anglais puisqu'on va faire a dictation, ok? Et dictation, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est tout simplement une dictée. Alors, si vous avez regardé la vidéo la semaine dernière, vous avez déjà fait cet exercice. Là, ce qu'on a fait, c'est qu'on a préparé une dictée avec Nicole qui est un peu plus longue. Donc, we are going to break it down, in two parts. Okay, the first part is today, and the second part is going to be tomorrow. You got it, guys? And Nicole is going to tell you about a typical day in her life in the US. So, Nicole, it's up to you now.
Hello, my name is Nicole. I would like to tell you about a typical day in my life as a teacher in New Mexico.
Donc là, vous avez écouté, c'est très bien. Maintenant, Nicole is going to repeat the sentence and we would like you to write it down to know if you understood and if you got the right spelling.
Okay. Hello, my name is Nicole. I would like to tell you about a typical day in my life as a teacher in New Mexico.
Could you repeat it, please, again, one more time?
Hello, my name is Nicole. I would like to tell you about a typical day in my life as a teacher in New Mexico.
Okay. Hello, your name is Nicole. I mean, my name is Nicole. Hello. Oh, sorry. I'm confused. My name is Nicole.
He wants to be called Nicole now.
Yeah, no. Adrian is fine. Please. My name is
Nicole. So, hello, my name is Nicole. I would like to tell you about...
I would or would?
Would.
On prononce pas le L, ok?
No L. I would like to tell you about a typical day. A typical day in my life as a teacher in New Mexico.
Okay. Could you please repeat this sentence for us?
Hello, my name is Nicole. I would like to tell you about a typical day in my life as a teacher in New Mexico.
And here, of course, this is as a teacher. Space. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Before we keep going, continue. I would like to tell you something, guys. Si vous ne l'avez pas encore fait, vous pouvez toujours vous inscrire à la formation gratuite qui aura lieu. Donc, la première session est passée. La deuxième, c'est aujourd'hui puisque nous sommes le mardi 20 novembre. C'est à 15 h. Formation gratuite est sur Internet. Si vous avez loupé la formation d'aujourd'hui, vous avez encore une chance. C'est la session de jeudi qui sera à 20 h, heure de Paris naturellement. toujours sur Internet, toujours gratuite et intitulée Le plan précis pour parler anglais dans les semaines qui viennent. On va parler prononciation, compréhension et pratique de l'anglais, expression. Pour vous inscrire, c'est très simple. Vous avez le i juste en haut à droite au-dessus de la tête de Nicole ou les liens dans la description. Les places sont limitées, donc jouez vraiment le jeu s'il vous plaît. Inscrivez-vous seulement à une des 2 sessions qu'il reste. Ok, continuons. Let's go.
Alors, my day begins at 5 a.m.
Oh, sorry.
My day begins at 5 a.m. because I go to the gym every day. Afterwards, I go back home, I have breakfast, and I get ready to go to work.
Oh, could you please break it down for us and maybe a little bit?
First sentence, a little slower.
Thank you.
My day begins at 5 a.m. because I go to the gym every day. I'll read it again. My day begins at 5 a.m. because I go to the gym every day.
Okay. So, my day begins
At 5 a.m. Samatan? Because I go to the gym.
Okay. So, hop là.
Every day. Go to the
Every
gym.
day.
Every day.
In 2 words, right?
It's
I'm sure. Because it's an adverb, it's not an adjective.
well.
Everyday life, 1 word. Every day, 2 words.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
Thank you,
right.
thank you.
I am wrong. See, even people who speak English make mistakes.
Yeah, that's a very simple
remember
example.
that,
And it
yes.
can happen. It can happen to everyone, and it's happening to me very often. It happens to me, very often, and it also happened to you very often, I'm sure.
We must pay attention.
It also happens.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Afterwards. Tricky word. Afterwards, I go back home, I have breakfast, and I get ready to go to work.
Oh, wow. Can you say this one? The first word is tough.
Afterwards. Afterwards, I go back home, I have breakfast, and I get ready to go to work. One more time. Slow. Afterwards. Afterwards, I go back home, I have breakfast, and I get ready to go to work.
Okay.
Tricky word.
Afterwards. Okay.
Afterwards. Okay? I go back home.
It's a, not a O. Okay. You go back home. Okay.
I have breakfast. And I get ready to go to work.
And I get ready. To go
to work.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Breakfast
So-
and I get ready to go to work.
And in some states, they say it very clear. They say afterwards instead of afterwards. But with speaking, it's going to just sound like afterwards, like that.
Afterwards.
Afterwards, yeah.
Afterwards.
Yeah. And
Afterwards.
And it just means after. It means
Afterwards.
after that. After, yeah.
Okay, like you say backwards, en arrière. Il y a un sens de direction, forward. Ok, en avant.
Yeah.
Afterwards, après. Ensuite,
Exactement.
then.
Yeah, exactement. My day at work begins at 7:15 and I go home at 3 o'clock. My day at work begins at 7:15.
Maybe say it again, please.
Maybe. My day begins at 7:15 a.m. and I go home at 3 o'clock.
Okay. My day.
My day?
Yeah, it's better if you say it.
My day begins at 7:15, and you can say a.m., but we know it's the morning, so
And
7:15.
can I write it like that?
Yep, exactly like that.
So, voyez le 7. Nous, en français, on l'écrit comme ça. Très souvent, en American English, c'est comme ça.
Yeah, normalement it's this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one is this. Okay, so 7:15.
7:15. At 7:15, and I go home, and I want to change the preposition. I go home by 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Not at. At it's you can use at, but we already used at. So
Okay.
by 3 o'clock, yeah.
Because we have hat.
We have at there, so you want a different preposition there.
It's nicer.
Yeah. By. Yeah.
We could say at.
Yeah.
We could. Okay?
Yeah.
So remember, vous mettez bien les 2 points entre le 7 et le 15 pour les heures. Par exemple, 8h15, like this. Okay.
O'clock. You have.
Yeah, it was an apostrophe here.
Yeah.
Sure.
O'clock.
Just my writing is bad.
Oh, okay. I see.
Sorry for that, guys. It was meant to be an apostrophe.
Oh, okay. Je comprends. Okay, I will read the whole thing again. Hello, my name is Nicole. I would like to tell you about a typical day in my life as a teacher in New Mexico. My day begins at 5 a.m. because I go to the gym every day. Afterwards, I go back home, I have breakfast, and I get ready to go to work. My day begins at 7:15 and I go home by 3 o'clock. So my day at work begins at 7:15 because I start work at 7:15. But either works, either is okay. And I go home by 3 o'clock.
Okay, perfect.
Very good. If you got this, excellent job.
Yeah, this is...
Keep trying if you did not.
Exactly. Vous pouvez revoir la vidéo autant de fois que vous le voulez. J'espère que ce type d'exercice vous a plu. Donc ça, c'était la première partie. Demain, on va continuer avec le typical day in Nicole's daily life. Okay, so I'm sure you will like it, guys. Okay. En attendant, si vous ne l'avez pas encore fait, vous pouvez toujours vous inscrire pour la formation gratuite qui aura lieu aujourd'hui, puisque nous sommes le mardi 20 novembre. Formation en ligne sur Internet qui s'intitule le plan précis pour parler anglais dans les semaines qui viennent. Pour vous inscrire, s'il reste encore des places, c'est simple, vous cliquez sur le i en haut à droite ou sur les liens qui sont dans la description. Si vous n'êtes pas disponible cet après-midi, si vous voyez cette vidéo après le 20 novembre à 15 h. Vous avez encore une session qui sera le 22 novembre, cette fois non pas à 15 h, mais à 20 h. Heure de Paris, c'est la même formation, ça dure environ 1 heure. On parle prononciation, compréhension et pratique de l'anglais évidemment. Donc si vous voulez réserver votre place, c'est toujours la même chose. Vous avez les liens juste en dessous ou le lien sur le i en haut à droite. Faites vite parce que les places sont limitées à 150 personnes. OK? Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Nicole.
De rien. Merci à tous.
Super. Et si vous avez la moindre question, le moindre commentaire, encore une fois, n'hésitez pas à mettre ça juste en dessous. Talk to you soon, guys.
À bientôt.
À bientôt. Nice.
À bientôt.
Talk to you soon. Perfect. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.